Good evening, children. How are you all? You all are ready? Yes, even I am ready. So today, you know what we are going to make? We are going to make turmeric painting, okay? Yes, you heard me right. We are going to make turmeric, a painting means the painting with help of turmeric. You know turmeric? Turmeric is the yellow spice that mama use in the kitchen to make the vegetable. Yes, that's right. We'll be using that to make the painting, okay? Yes, I can tell you it will be looking very beautiful. Once you see, then you will find it will be beautiful. So let's get started to see what material we will be requiring for this. So just shift to the, now on the workstation, I'll just show you. See, this is the work sheet we will be reading to make the painting. Yes, children, I've told you we need a thick sheet, okay? Yes, because this color is water-based, na? That's why we need a thick sheet. Otherwise, your paper becomes soggy. That's right. You heard me right. Yes, I know, children. Few of you are having very thin sheets, so don't worry. I'll show you the solution for that also. But first, just we will go through the material. Okay. Those who are having thin sheet, they can take 2 sheets. Just look at me. 2 sheets I have taken. Okay. Just take 2 sheets. What to do, I'll tell you. Let me go for the material first. Okay. We need 2 bowls. One for turmeric color we want to make. Yes, I'll show you how. Like this we will make turmeric color. We'll take plain turmeric in this and then we'll put water. In another bowl, I have just taken little bit of soap, washing powder. The powder, the soap which mama used to wash the clothes, I have taken that. Yes, it can be blue in color, no worries, it can be white in color, because the color won't give any effect on the painting. Okay, so just take little bit of soap in a bowl and a bowl for the turmeric. This is turmeric I'm having. We don't need this much, don't worry. We need a half tablespoon, small that also, okay? Okay, then we will need few earbuds. Okay, see, just few earbuds, and we will need one rubber band to just tie all the earbuds like this. Like this we will make them together so that, and just glue like this so that we can do the stamping work with this properly. Okay. Okay, then we need glue. That's right. Because those who are having thin paper, we want to make that paper thick. That's why we need this glue. Otherwise, there is no need of glue. Okay. Then we need brush. Can you see? Okay. Then a pencil and a black sketch pen. Okay. And a glass of water so that we can wash our brush, we can dry our brush, and we can make the color for all. Okay. So I think I'm clear with the material. I'll repeat. I'll tell just speak the list of the material and you just keep on showing me. Okay. Okay. See. So recap will also be done and I can see your material also. Okay. So first the white sheet. Okay. Thick is preferable and those who are having thin have to take 2 sheets. Yes. Okay. Then glue. Okay. Then turmeric. I'll just tell you how much. See. We'll be taking little. This is more. You can take even less. I'll just reduce it. Otherwise, it will be wasted. Just little bit of turmeric. Okay. Yes. Half or 1/4 spoon of washing soap, washing powder. That's right. These 2 bowls. Then we need brush. We need only one, dear. I have just taken just to show you. We do not need 2 brush, only one. Then sketch pen, that also one. Then a pencil. Then 3-4 earbuds. Yeah, you heard me right. And a glass of water. We need little water so that we can wash our brush, we can clean the brush properly. And a rough kerchief so that we can dry our brush. Okay? Very good, very good. So I can see all of you are having all the materials. Very good, children. So what we are going to make today? We are going to make scenery of a garden. Okay, little bit scenery of a garden we are going to make. That's right, that's right. Okay, okay. So I'll just repeat the material fast recap. Sheet, white sheet, little turmeric, soap, glue, a glass of water, black sketch pen, pencil, brush, and few earbuds with a rubber band tie around, and that's all. Okay, so let's get started now, children. Okay, I'm putting all the material aside and I'm starting the painting work. So I have taken those who are having thick sheet, just be comfortable, they don't have to do anything. But those who are having thin sheet, just look at me, okay? Just take the glue and put this glue all around the 4 corners and like this. I'll show you. Because we want to make this paper thick, that's why we are putting the glue. So we will add one paper on the other and our paper will become thick. Then you won't be in trouble. Okay, so just look at me. I'm taking the other paper and putting right on the top of the below one. So can you see now my paper is now, see, it became thick now. So now no trouble. So now it's ready. Okay, I'm waiting. You just get ready with these 2 papers and then we will start. Don't worry. Once you will get ready with the paper, then only I will proceed. I'll wait for you to get ready. So children, get ready with the paper and we will start. Don't worry, just put the glue. I'll just show you once again. Just look at me. I show you what to do. Yes, you can use A4 size. You can use a thick sheet, but if it is not A4 size, it's perfectly fine. No worries. A4 size is just an approximation, dear. It's not compulsory that we need A4 size. We take A4 size because generally it is available in everybody's house. Otherwise, little bit difference in the shape, in the size is perfectly normal. Just don't worry about the A4 size. If you are having a thick sheet, but it is a little small in size, if it is little big in size, it's perfectly fine. Because thick sheets are the best solution. I have given this solution if the sheets are thin. But if the sheets are thick, it's the best thing you are having. Okay, children. So just don't worry about the size of the paper. Your thick sheet is very nice. Yeah, that is the best for this purpose. Okay, okay. So am I clear about the size? Okay, children. Okay. So you can take any size. A3 and A2 is also perfectly fine. Okay, children. So just get ready with this thick sheet, any sheet which you are having. Okay, now we will start making color. See, in a one bowl we took little bit of turmeric. Can you see? Yes, don't take much, don't take much. Take very little turmeric. We don't want much turmeric. Otherwise, you will be wasting all the turmeric. Okay. And today we will be doing with only one shade. So now we will add little water and see I have made like this. See, it should not be too thin. See, like, can you see? It's like milk type of consistency. When you do like this, it's dripping in the bowl. But it's not pure water. See, like this. Okay? So just put water slowly so that you can get a perfect consistency. Just look at me. Yes. See, if your turmeric is half teaspoon, then take just 2 teaspoon of water. It will be enough. 2 or 2.5. That's all. Not more than that. If you will add more water, then the consistency will be very thin. Then we will get little light color. Okay. So just take 2 or 2.5 spoon of water and half tablespoon of turmeric. Then you get the perfect consistency. Can you see? Very good, very good. I am waiting. Just get ready with this turmeric part and then we will start. Okay, you can just show me so I can see what you have done. Very good, very good. Please children, be careful with the water. No, don't add much water. I told you to add just 2 or 2.5 tablespoons. That's right. Okay. So now let's get started. Okay. See what I'm doing. I'm taking the color, but I'm taking very little color. And I'm just doing like this so that the extra color goes out from the brush. And now I am starting with this paper. You just have to spread like this. Keep on spreading like this. Just be careful, the water part should be very less. Otherwise, your paper will become soggy and our purpose will not be solved. So just keep on spreading more and more so that the water spreads all over the paper. We want the whole sheet yellow, okay? You can see small granules are coming. They are for turmeric, so don't worry. We will adjust in the once the color is done, then I'll show you what to do for them. Let it be on the paper right now. But just spread it like this, more and more. We don't want water to be at one place more. Just keep spreading and try to do in one direction so that we get a nice texture. You see, I'm not putting much water. I'm trying to spread the water which is already on the paper, okay? So just keep on spreading itself. Okay, children, I am waiting for all of you to complete till here. Don't worry. Just do like this. Just complete the whole yellow color. Yes. Please, children, be careful with water. I'm repeating myself because water will trouble you otherwise. So, the less the water, more beautiful the picture. So, be very, very careful with the water part. Yes, we want the full paper to get yellow. No space in between. We want full yellow, yellow. Can you see each and every place I have done yellow? Very good, very good. Just try to move your brush without water so that the extra water, it spreads all over the paper and your paper won't be soggy. Okay. So now just take that rough kerchief and just do it like this. So all the extra water and the granules of the turmeric will get aside. Just do like this. So all the water, extra water will get out of the paper. Yes, just do like this. So we get a granule-free dry paper now. Now there are no granules of turmeric on the paper and the paper is also dry. Okay, okay, I'm waiting, children. Don't worry. Yes, when your color is finished, then you have to spread your, then you have to use your cloth on like this, so that, like this. Yeah, perfectly. Slowly, very slowly. Otherwise, you will please, children, do it slowly. नहीं तो पेज फट जाएगा बच्चा. Do it very slowly. Because the paper is wet, it is very, very delicate. अगर आप ऐसे जोर से करेंगे, then the paper will tear from the between. Yes, so just do it lightweight, just with very gentle hand. Just do it with gentle hand. That's right, dear. You have to be gentle with the paper because it is wet. Okay, children? Okay, okay. So just rub your rough cloth on this paper and then the paper is ready. Okay. So now what we are doing, now I'm taking the soap. Okay. Now just put this aside so that we won't spill the soap water on this. I'm just keeping aside and getting the soap water ready. Now just put water slowly in this soap. So there are small particles of the soap, so just stir it properly. We don't want these particles. We want smooth water. So just stir it properly so that the water, these small particles get dissolved in the water. We want them to dissolve. So just stir it well. Can you see now? Very less small, very few granules are there. So I'm just stirring it and they will dissolve in water within a minute. So keep stirring it. Please children, again be very careful with the water. We don't want too watery solution. See, can you see now the solution is ready? See, and now no granules are there. Okay. So now this soap water is also ready. Okay. So now we will start with our painting. Okay. Okay. So what we will do? We are going to make a scenery of garden. Okay. So in garden, can you tell me what we see in the garden? There are many trees, isn't it? Okay. So we will start with a small, we will make few trees on this sheet. So just look at me what I'm doing. I'll just look at me. See, just take little bit of water, this soap water. Don't take too much. Just take few. Just dip it little like this. And I'm putting here so that you can see. And just make a standing line like this. Not much big. Yes. One here and one here. Then again dip it little and make few branches like this. All the sides. And small like this also. Okay. Yes, you can make in any direction of your choice. Very good. I'm waiting. Don't worry. Just do it. Yeah, you have to make first one standing line, one or two standing line, and then small in all directions. Just move your brush like this, slowly, with very less water. Okay, I'll show you one more tree so that you can understand. One tree we will be making on this side, okay? See, like this one standing line and one standing line again. Then a V shape, see like this. I made a V. Okay, and now all the lines like this. Very good. That's very nice, very nice. Yes. Just do it slowly with less water. Then only you would be able to make it. Yes. Okay, okay. So this is the base of the tree we have done. Okay. Okay, okay. So now we will make leaves little bit after. Just we will make something else first. Okay. So now again dip your brush little bit and make a round shape over here. 0. You know how to write 0 now? Just write 0. When you write 10, you write 1 and 0, 10 na? Like that. You have to write a 0 over here. Just a small circle. Circle 0, whatever you say, you have to make like this over here. Okay? Now what we will make with this circle? Can you guess? Yes, you are, yeah, right. We'll be making sun with this. Okay. Okay. So just look at me what I'm doing. Again, taking very pinch of water, just giving strokes like this. Very good. Yes, the line should be small or big. You can make any type of lines all around the sun. Circle, yes, that's right. Beautiful. Just be easy with the water part. Take very less water. See here now, when you draw the shape now, automatically it turns into color. Can you see? See, otherwise what we do in drawing, we first make with the pencil, then we color it. Here what is there? When you give the shape, automatically it turns into the color. So that is the beauty of this picture, okay? So the picture is converting in the colored picture automatically. That is the finest part. Okay. So don't worry, I'm waiting, dear. Just get ready with the sun. So the sun is ready. Very good. Don't make too big, beta. Make small, otherwise other things how you will make, na? Yes, just the sun is so far away, so already it looks small. Don't make too big. Don't worry. Whatever you have made is perfectly fine. Just be careful. Okay. So shall I proceed now? Okay. Now just look at me. I'm taking so little water. Now I'm making clouds. Okay. See, you have to make like this. You know how to make this line, na? Just make it like this, and then from this side also. In haphazard way. Yes. So it looks like cloud. I show you again. You have to make 2-3 clouds, na? So I'll show you again. See, you can make 3 also. Like this, 3. Then make 3 on this side. And now on this side. So you made a cloud. And now you can put little brush here, so it become a full cloud. Just like this. You just have to make your brush wet. That's all. Don't take much water. I'll show you again. Just look at me. See, we will make 3 first. Then turn the page. Then again make 3. Very good. I can see. Then again make 3. And then turn the page and again make 3. See? So you made a beautiful cloud in the sky. And then just put it like this. So we color the full cloud. Very good, very good. It's okay, dear, if clouds are having different shapes, no worry. Clouds are they don't have definite shape, na? So everybody's cloud is perfectly fine, whatever shape they have given. No worries about the shape. Okay, so now take your birds. I'll show you how to put the rubber bands. I'll just show you. Just don't worry. See, I have taken 10 earbuds. If you are having less, no problem. You can take 5, you can take 6, no problem. And just put rubber band around this like. Very good. Okay. And tap it so that it becomes level. Just tap it on the table so that all they come in a one shape. They should all be in one level. Just tap it like this and they will come in the level. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to make leaves with this. Okay. So just look at me very carefully. This is your soap water solution. You have to dip very little. Be very, very careful. You don't have to dip full. Just touch it. Okay, just touch it and do like this. एकदम थोड़ा ही टच करेंगे. Can you see? Very little. That's right. Please don't dip your earbuds too much in the water. You just have to touch it. That's all. If you will dip them, you won't get a nice effect and your tree will become too messy. Okay. Just do it. I'm waiting for all. Just complete it. Then I'll show this again. We will be making the same thing on this side also. Okay. So just don't worry. Those who are doing, just do it and I'll be waiting. See, I'll just show you again. Take this, dip it little bit, very little, and stamp it like this. So can you see our tree is looking so beautiful? Yes, it's looking wonderful, wonderful. Very good, very good. Yes, that's the way you have to do it. Perfect, perfect. Do it slowly and take very less water. Then you'll have wonderful results. I can see you all are doing such a nice job. Very good. Okay. So now children, you know in garden there is grass also. So now we will be making grass. Okay. So again the same way, just look at me. I just dip little bit of brush in the soap water and do like this V. Make grass like V shape. Can you see? Yes. हम V बनाते हैं ना, in that way you have to make it. Very good, very good. Just do it, don't worry. You can do it. Yes, I can. I know you can do it. Yes, just make V shapes. That's all. V for when. We make V, na? V for when. That V you have to make. Some V small, some V big. That's all. Very good. Okay, children. So once you are finished till here, I'll show you what to do next. Just again take little bit of soap water. See how I'm dipping. Just touching it and then just make few standing lines in between. Like this. Just make standing lines. You write one na in that way. Just make few standing lines like this. Very good. Okay. And now small standing lines. Just small standing lines. See, first you made V, then big standing lines, and now small standing lines. So this will give the effect of grass. So there is grass all over the ground, okay? Yes, I am waiting. I am waiting. Don't worry, children. So three things we made. First we made V. All over the paper we made V. Then we made big standing line. And then we made small standing lines. Very good. Very good, very good. Just do it slowly with very less soap water. And now what we will do, we will remove this rubber band because we want a single earbud. These are so many, na? We don't want this much. We want only one. So now I'm taking only one and I'm keeping all this aside. Yes, I have taken just one. So just remove your rubber band and make them free and take one of the earbud in your hand. Now just look at me carefully. See, I'm just putting this very little again. Just like this, and I'm making flower like this. Can you see? So we will be making flowers like this, okay? Just dip it very less. Please children, if you will dip more, see, the color spreads like this. So you have to be very careful. Just put it very little drop. So we are making flower with this earbud, okay? Don't worry. I'm waiting. You can make 2-3 flowers also. If you are not comfortable, make 2-3 flowers. Don't make so many. You just have to dip and put the dots. So all our flowers are also ready. Can you see? Very good, very good. You can make less flowers. How much space you are having? Just go accordingly, dear. Don't worry. So now last we will make one small but just we want small, that's why we are taking finger, okay? Just take very less. See, just dipping it. It should not be drippy. Just make like this. Yes, with your finger, small finger, one finger, just make like this. And we'll make a butterfly from this, okay? Just take the sketch pen, black sketch pen you're having. Just make a big 3. Because we are making butterfly, that's why. So, like this, make a big 3. And this side, just the reverse of 3. So this is the 3 with big curve. And this is also 3, but it is reversed. Now, just make an antenna. Yes. Like this. Butterfly has big antenna, na? That's why I have put so big. Okay. Now make round so that the butterfly looks beautiful. Just make dots inside this. You have to make these dots randomly, dear. Just make them, yeah. And just make 2 small legs downside. And 2 eyes. Very good. Very good, very good. Okay, now we will just make a bird, okay? So dip your brush again very little. So, you know how to write V, V for van. I'll just write V, just look at me. V. Okay? So it looks like bird in the sky. I'm just making small V. You know now how to write V for van? So this is V. V for van. I am making V in the sky. So it will give the effect of bird. As if the birds are flying, okay? And just put a small line down like this. And this will look like a bird flying in the sky. So now our painting is getting ready. So what we have? We have sun, we have clouds, we are having birds, We are having butterfly, we are having trees, we are having flowers and grass. So nice. We made so many things, isn't it? Very good, very good. So now we are going, what we are going, can you guess? Yes, we are going to put your name. So everybody has to put their name on this sheet. Okay. Yes, children, you have to write your name. You can write in uppercase, lowercase, whichever you want, whichever is comfortable to you. Just write in the end of, in the corner of your scenery. Just write your name. Yes, you can write your name. So, if somebody asks you who has made, so you can show. See, the name is written in the picture. It looks so beautiful when you write your name, na? Very good, very good. I can see all of you have done so well. That's very nice, dear. Wonderful job, wonderful job. Those who have not shown me, just show me on the screen, dear. I want to see on the screen. Let me see what you have done. Very good, very good. I can see. Beautiful job, beautiful, wonderful. That's very nice. Very good, perfect, perfect. It's looking wonderful. So children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Yes, it's simple but beautiful. So all of you, very good, very good. So it's time to say bye, dear. Have a nice time, children. Okay, okay. So we'll be meeting in other session with some more wonderful things, exciting things. So till then, bye. Have a nice time.